Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to test out my new soldering station. So by now most of you have probably seen this guitar and you'll know that I just wired it up recently and I said we were going to test it. Well, I tried to put a really old vintage pickup in here to kind of mesh with, the general theme of the thing, and it doesn't work. At this point I'm not entirely sure how to fix it. I will try and figure that out, but for now, the obvious plan is to change the pickup. Now, if you've seen me do some of these videos, you've probably noticed that I use a digital soldering station. For your information, it's got the Celsius and Fahrenheit calculations on it, and it heats up pretty quick, and it works reasonably well, but it doesn't work great. In fact, it's a little slow, and I question whether it actually gets up to the heat that it says it's at, because of how long it takes to solder, for example, the back of a pot or something like that. So I've switched to this guy. It's analog. It was recommended to me. It doesn't have the digital readout or any of that stuff, but I'm not too worried about that. I think there's probably going to be less that can go wrong with this one, and I'm excited to give it a try. So let's test it out. We'll pull open this guitar, see how this thing works, and maybe I'll tell you my thoughts on this versus the old one. I hope I'm going to like it. Who knows, but hopefully. Well, nothing else, it's a cute color. Well, I can't complain about that. That worked about probably 3 times faster than my old one. Melted everything, no problem. Easy work on the back of those pots with those huge puddles of solder that were holding like 4 or 5 wires in place. I did a little bit of grounding work, probably off camera, soldered a little bit on the copper tape, which sometimes is a pain in the ass as well, but with this thing it was honestly so quick that I actually wasn't prepared and I had to fiddle around and do it twice because I melted to the tape immediately and I wasn't holding the wire down with anything. So yeah, it worked well. So yeah, super happy with this thing. Works really well. I'm gonna put an affiliate link in the description to it. So the usual caveat, if you want one, If you buy it through there, it helps me out. If you don't like me, get it somewhere else, but I still recommend it because, well, I mean, the results speak for themselves. It was excellent. There will also be a link in the description to this new thing that I just got. It's called an Amazon influencer page. So it's, again, affiliate links, but Amazon's now created this place for me to like put them all in one spot. So I'm gonna do that. That's a thing too. Check that out if you want to see any of the other stuff that I use frequently. So that's it for the test. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so that you can watch me test out this guitar. Yes, I'm pointing over there because that's where it is. So yeah, we are gonna get to that soon. We're gonna test that guy out, and let's hope it sounds good, because right now, I don't know what it sounds like. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and I will see you next time.